Unlocking the meaning of Offer Insights, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language: offer insights. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone keen on learning English, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your communication skills. Let's dive in. Offer insights is a phrase that combines two important words, offer and insights. To understand the phrase, we need to break it down. Offer means to present or give something to someone. Insights, on the other hand, are deep understandings or revelations about something complex. When we use the phrase, offer insights, we're talking about providing valuable understanding or knowledge about a specific topic or situation. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For instance, in a business meeting, a colleague might offer insights about market trends. In a classroom, a teacher could offer insights on a difficult concept. It's about adding depth to a conversation or discussion with meaningful information or perspectives. To grasp this better, let's look at some examples. 1. The professor offered insights into Shakespeare's plays, making them easier to understand. 2. During the workshop, the expert offered insights about effective communication skills. 3. The book offers insights into the history and culture of the region. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey the idea of providing deeper understanding or knowledge. Understanding synonyms can also help. Similar phrases include provide insights, give an understanding, or shed light on. Each of these conveys a similar meaning but can be used in slightly different ways depending on the context. I hope this video offered insights into the phrase, offer insights. Remember, language is not just about words, but about communicating ideas and knowledge effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll find your English communication skills improving day by day. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.